What's going on, guys? It's your boy GD Warrior, and look at that weather. Oh my god, it's beautiful outside. Thanks for tuning in. Look at that baby. Look how nice she looks. Have you guys seen my new exhaust? It's all blacked out now. Looks sweet, huh? Doesn't it? I also changed the color of that end cap from chrome to black, as you can see. Right there. Oh yeah, let's get rolling. I gotta pick up a few things for my camera equipment, so you guys can enjoy better videos with me. And I got some news to tell you. So you guys might notice right now, as you're watching this, why does his video look so different, or quality I should say. Well, I have a ND filter on my GoPro camera lens, which should make the video picture quality look more cinematic for you guys. I'm very excited about that. I hope I can make my recordings look really nice. You know, it should improve the picture quality by a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video where I reviewed my Speedstar exhaust. Extremely happy with that exhaust. Sounds awesome. It's a nice badass deep rumble. So what we are doing right now is I'm going to Best Buy. I gotta buy a few things there for my studio equipment. Then we're gonna stop by at Walmart. Actually, I don't know if you knew, but they have photo video stuff too, and I found some nice backdrop clamps, you know, on online, and I can pick them up locally, so that's pretty good. Backdrop clamps is a clamp that you use for your backdrop, basically, you know. And okay, so I got news for you guys. Today is the last day of my giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead, subscribe through the giveaway link, which will be down in the description. My giveaway prizes, which are a DI black carbon fiber titanium wrap. Also, you'll be able to win matching black metal zip ties. On top of that, you'll be able to win a TST universal low profile license plate light. That's the same one that I'm using. And that low profile light is great, man. I mean, it illuminates not only my license plate really well, but like half of the street at night. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna announce the winner within 48 hours after today. It ends today at 12 a.m. basically, at 11:59 and 59 seconds p.m. Florida time. And go ahead and, you know, check out the link down in the description so you guys can win a prize, you know. The reason why I did the giveaway is just to show some love back for all you people, you know. These are items I personally purchased. These are items I personally use. You know, I will never recommend you guys anything that I wouldn't buy or use myself on my bike, you know, because I only want you guys to have the best, top quality. That brings me to the next point. As you guys have seen, I have posted on my Facebook wall a statement of mine regarding affiliate links. Affiliate links are basically, you know, referral links that if you click on that link that I post, and you buy that product, I'm going to get a small cut out of that. It's very small. It's really little. I mean, I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about numbers, but last time somebody bought something and it was a 2-digit priced product, all right, and 2 people bought that thing and I didn't even make 10 bucks. So it's not that much, you know. It's not like I'm making millions or anything like that. And also I think that shows that I'm pretty honest about it, you know. There is a lot of people out there that post affiliate links and you know, they make those reviews and they are not honest about it. They say, oh my god, this the cheapest Chinese piece of crap is so great and so awesome, just go ahead and buy it, because they want to fill their pockets, you know. I don't need to fill my pockets. I got a house, we got 2 cars, 2 bikes, you know. I really don't give a thing about it, you know. However, I spend a lot of time on the studio and, you know, giving you content that you guys can benefit from, and I love doing this. However, it's really time consuming, and since I have my own bills to pay and everything, and I don't want to, you know, spend thousands of dollars on studio equipment, because it's actually pretty freaking expensive. I use everything that I make through these affiliate links for my channel. This is all going to my channel, you know. So you basically are contributing for free, without any cost to you, to my channel, you know. So if I see that I'm getting a check from an affiliate partner that I'm with, and I have, let's say, for example, I'm planning to buy a DSLR camera to give you guys like professional videos and stuff, but things are freaking expensive, you know. So if I get a little check, let's say 100 bucks, 200 bucks, I'm gonna use this towards the DSLR camera, you know. Let's say a camera is 1,000 bucks, I pay 800, and you guys supported me, and I'll throw the other 200 that I got from my affiliate links in, you know. I throw it in. So that's basically my plan about the whole thing. I'm not planning to record everything all the time with my GoPro, because the GoPro is very limited, you know. I'm trying to squeeze every single bit of quality out of my GoPro, obviously, but you are very limited, you know. A DSLR camera will do the trick, you know. That's the way to go, but they are extremely expensive. Like I said, you guys will be seeing in the future posts from different sources with my links in there, and I will also put a disclaimer in there so you guys know, okay, that's one of his links where I can sponsor GD Warrior's channel for free to make it better, because I like his channel, I love his, you know, vlogs, his reviews, his how-tos, you know. I like him as a person. I love his bike, big fan, you know. I love rswarrior.com and all of that. So I appreciate you guys, man. Thanks for that, and I just wanted to clarify that. So I'm riding right now with a ND filter attached to my GoPro. On the way back home, I'm going to replace the ND16 filter with the ND8 filter. Man, it's really hot today. Typical South Florida, huh? To talk a little bit about the prizes that you can win on my giveaway, the DI black carbon fiber wrap, titanium wrap, It's the one I've been using all the time on out of my exhaust, you know, the Roadster exhaust, the Monster Pro Pipe exhaust, and I think I never used it on the Benzine Pro Pipe, but that's okay, you know. I was already thinking to wrap this exhaust here, the new Speedster, but I don't know how this is going to look like, because that Speedster exhaust is actually pretty thick, you know. Also, a new little motorcycle mod that I have on my bike is the Cyclops H4 10K lumen bulb, which I love. Thanks Cyclops for that, by the way. It was sponsored by them, you know. And even though it was sponsored by them, I still made an honest review, you know. That's another thing. Every time I make a sponsored review because I got a free item, you know, don't think that I'm gonna say only the best stuff about that item, you know, because I'm going to be still honest about it and not lie, you know. I'm here at Best Buy. Let me go inside, let me buy my crap, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Stay tuned.